Have you ever imagined living in a truck that's more luxurious than most apartments out there? Sounds wild, right? But the truth is, some sleeper cabs go far beyond just a place to rest on the road. These are full-blown homes on wheels, packed with comfort, space, and high-end tech that make even five-star hotel rooms look cramped. And the most jaw-dropping part? Some of these rigs are worth more than million-dollar mansions. What would drive someone to spend hundreds of thousands or even millions on a truck cab this extreme? It's gotta be something from another world, right? Well, today, you're about to go on a ride through the most outrageous sleeper cabs ever built, where the size is shocking, the luxury is next level, and the price, yeah, get ready to pick your jaw up off the floor. Ready to meet the giants that turned life on the road into a five-star experience? Stick with me till the end, because the last truck on this list doesn't even look real, and it just might change everything you thought you knew about trucking. Peterbilt Shell Bootleggers Pulling Team. This Peterbilt isn't just a truck, it's a rolling statement. Built as the official hauler and mobile headquarters of the Shell Bootleggers Pulling Team, this rig doesn't just haul equipment, it turns heads at every competition. With a custom sleeper cab stretching over 13 feet, the interior becomes a fully functional living space. LED lighting, dark wood cabinetry, a luxurious L-shaped leather sofa, built-in TV, independent climate control, and a compact kitchen all come together in a finish that feels closer to a luxury RV than a work truck. Under the hood, it's powered by a Cummins X15 engine, pushing around 600 horsepower. It's smooth, strong, and built for serious hauling. On the outside, glossy black paint and custom graphics give it an aggressive, unmistakable presence. Costing around $400,000, it often steals more attention than the competition vehicles themselves. Kenworth W900L 2024 156-inch ARI sleeper. If you thought sleeper cabs had limits, this Kenworth completely shatters them. The 156-inch ARI sleeper transforms the truck into a true mini home. Step inside and you're greeted with hardwood finishes, granite-style countertops, a full kitchen, a convertible couch, a fixed double bed, and even a private bathroom with a full shower. It's built for drivers who spend their lives on the road, not just days. Powered by a Cummins X15 engine delivering over 500 horsepower, paired with a manual 18-speed transmission, it offers both power and control. With a price reaching up to $500,000, it's a serious investment, but for many drivers, it's worth every penny. Some even say the insulation is so good you can sleep peacefully with the engine running.
Volvo VNL Expedition Truck. Imagine crossing the entire country without needing a hotel, restaurant, or rest stop. That's exactly what this Volvo VNL delivers. Built in partnership with Bolt Custom Trucks, it features a 150-inch sleeper that functions as a complete home. Inside, there's a full kitchen, a real bathroom with a shower, a convertible couch, and a full entertainment system. Powered by a Volvo D13 engine producing around 500 horsepower, it's designed for long-haul comfort and independence. This truck was built for self-sufficiency, equipped with water storage and power systems that allow off-grid living. At around $360,000, it became a benchmark for modern trucking life and inspired countless similar builds. Kenworth T680. The Kenworth T680 represents a more modern approach to life on the road, blending efficiency with comfort in a way that feels both practical and refined. At first glance, its aerodynamic design hints at fuel savings and long-distance capability. But step inside and the real story begins. The sleeper cab is thoughtfully arranged with a clean, bright interior, indirect lighting, and a layout that maximizes every inch of space. There's a convertible sofa bed, a compact workspace, a built-in microwave, a refrigerator, and multiple storage compartments that make extended travel feel less like a burden and more like a lifestyle. Under the hood, it runs on a PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering around 510 horsepower, paired with either a 12-speed automated transmission or a manual option, depending on the driver's preference. What truly sets it apart is how it supports long-term living. Drivers have spent months inside this cab without ever needing a hotel, proving that comfort doesn't always require excess. With a price ranging between $280,000 and $320,000, it stands as a smart balance between luxury and practicality. Peterbilt 389 777. When it comes to presence, the Peterbilt 389, known as 777, doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance, finished in a striking red paint with chrome accents covering nearly every surface. This truck is as much a showpiece as it is a machine. But the real surprise lies inside. The sleeper transforms into a high-end lounge, featuring rich brown leather upholstery, warm amber lighting, a retractable sofa, and all the essentials, including a microwave, refrigerator, and climate control. It's designed for drivers who want comfort without sacrificing style. Power comes from a Cummins X15 engine, producing around 565 horsepower, paired with either an 18-speed manual transmission or a classic 18-speed manual option, depending on the driver's preference. This truck has become something of a celebrity in the trucking world, frequently appearing at shows and drawing crowds wherever it goes. With builds like this reaching up to $450,000, it's not just transportation, it's identity.
Kenworth W900L ICT Custom Sleeper. This Kenworth W900L, customized by Integrated Custom Trucks, pushes the concept of a sleeper cab into something closer to a full-scale residence. From the outside, it carries a clean, commanding look, with polished chrome details that reflect light like a mirror. But inside, it opens into nearly 13 feet of refined living space. There's a retractable sofa, a fully equipped kitchen, and a private bathroom with an enclosed shower. Light wood finishes and neutral tones give the interior a warm, upscale feel that makes it easy to forget you're inside a truck. Powered by a Cummins X15 engine delivering up to 565 horsepower, it's built to handle long distances with ease. This is the kind of rig designed for drivers who don't rely on hotels or rest stops, because wherever they park, they're already home. With costs exceeding $550,000, it represents a level of comfort that few ever experience. Custom yellow Peterbilt road giant. Some trucks demand attention, but this custom yellow Peterbilt takes it to another level entirely. With a sleeper stretching beyond 200 inches, it offers over 16 feet of interior space, rivaling the layout of a small apartment. The exterior, finished in bold yellow with full-length chrome detailing, turns every stop into a spectacle. Inside, it's even more impressive. A full living room setup, dining area, complete kitchen, private bathroom, and spacious sleeping quarters create an environment built for real living, not just resting. Insulation ensures a quiet, peaceful atmosphere, even with the engine running. Powered by a Cummins X15 producing around 600 horsepower, it's as capable as it is luxurious. With a price tag around $700,000, this truck isn't just built for the road, it's built to be remembered, often appearing at expos and drawing massive crowds wherever it goes. Kenworth W900L 100th Anniversary Limited Edition. This isn't just a truck, it's a celebration of legacy. Built to mark a century of excellence, the Kenworth W900L 100th Anniversary Limited Edition carries a presence that goes beyond its size or power. Finished in a distinctive satin gray with subtle blue accents and exclusive gold emblems, every detail reflects history and craftsmanship. Step inside, and the balance between tradition and comfort becomes clear. A retro-inspired dashboard meets modern conveniences like premium leather seating, a fixed bed, microwave, refrigerator, and custom cabinetry. Under the hood, a Cummins X15 engine delivering up to 565 horsepower, paired with a manual 18-speed transmission that keeps the classic driving experience alive. With prices reaching around $600,000 and limited production numbers, this truck quickly became both a working machine and a collector's piece, representing a rare blend of
of heritage and modern luxury.
Freightliner Cascadia 32-foot sleeper. Calling this a sleeper cab almost feels like an understatement. This custom Freightliner Cascadia has been transformed into a 32-foot mobile residence, longer than many motorhomes and designed for full-time living. The exterior alone grabs attention with hand-painted murals that turn the truck into a moving piece of art, but inside, it's on another level entirely. 2 sofas, a full kitchen with oven and large refrigerator, a dining area, a private bathroom with a full-size shower, even a laundry setup, and a king-sized bed in the rear. Every detail is designed for comfort, practicality, and long-term living. Powered by a Detroit diesel engine producing up to 600 horsepower, it's built to carry all this luxury across endless miles. Projects like this can exceed $900,000, pushing into million-dollar territory depending on customization, making it one of the most extreme sleeper builds ever created. So, can you imagine actually living in one of these rigs? Today, we took a ride through machines that are far more than just trucks. They're rolling luxury homes, combining power, comfort, history, and design at levels that rival full apartments. But beyond the size and price, what really stands out is what these trucks represent: freedom, independence, and a way of life that most people only dream about. Now tell me, if money wasn't an issue, which sleeper would you choose? Which one completely blew you away? And could you live on the road for months at a time? Or do you prefer staying grounded? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around, because there's always something even more insane just around the corner.